Imagine standing on the edge of a live volcano, feeling the heat on your face, and knowing you're walking on one of Earth's most powerful forces. Today, we're exploring 5 incredible volcanic islands that you can actually visit. Get ready for an adventure that will blow your mind. First up is Santorini, Greece, where a massive volcanic eruption 3,600 years ago created this breathtaking caldera. The explosion was so powerful it may have inspired the legend of Atlantis. Today you can explore black sand beaches, witness some of the world's most spectacular sunsets, and even dive into the submerged parts of this ancient volcano. The views from above reveal the true scale of this geological masterpiece. Next, we travel to Jeju Island, South Korea, a UNESCO World Heritage Site formed entirely by volcanic activity. Mount Hallasan, the island's centerpiece, is South Korea's highest peak and a dormant volcano. Hiking trails wind through otherworldly landscapes, including incredible lava tube caves formed by ancient eruptions. The iconic Sunrise Peak offers unforgettable views and a glimpse into the island's fiery past. Jeju's volcanic beaches showcase nature's incredible artistry in black basalt and crystal-clear waters. Stromboli, Italy is known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean for its nearly continuous volcanic activity. This volcano has been erupting almost constantly for over 2,000 years. Guided night tours let you witness this incredible natural fireworks show, while boat tours offer spectacular views from the sea. Daytime hikes reveal the raw power of this active geological wonder. Standing on the rim, you're literally looking into the Earth's molten heart. The Big Island of Hawaii is home to some of the world's most active volcanoes, including the legendary Kilauea. Here, you can witness the incredible sight of lava creating new land as it meets the Pacific Ocean. The island's famous black sand beaches are home to Hawaiian green sea turtles, while helicopter tours offer unparalleled views of active lava flows. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park lets you safely explore this volcanic wonderland. At night, the glowing lava creates an otherworldly spectacle you'll never forget. Our final destination is Réunion Island, France, home to Piton de la Fournaise, one of the world's most active volcanoes. This French territory in the Indian Ocean offers some of the most accessible active volcanic experiences on Earth. The lunar-like landscapes make you feel like you're exploring another planet, while helicopter tours reveal the island's incredible volcanic cirques and peaks. Tropical forests thrive on the rich volcanic soil, creating a paradise for nature lovers. With frequent eruptions, Réunion offers front-row seats to Earth's most spectacular geological show. These 5 volcanic islands offer adventures that will change your perspective on our planet's incredible power. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your adventure buddy. From Santorini's ancient caldera to Stromboli's fiery displays, from Jeju's mystical landscapes to Hawaii's lava spectacles, and Réunion's accessible volcanic wonders, each destination offers a unique window into Earth's volcanic soul. Which one would you visit?